Okay, now we'll see how to close this file. To close this file, just click on cross, say yes. This file will close automatically, and we'll save this file where you want. Just save this file. I will save this file in document. Okay, save. So this file will save in the document. When you want to open this file, you can open this file from the document menu. Okay, now we will make a birthday party invitation with the help of this tool. Okay, how to make? Again, click on file, click on new, just give the name one I will give now. Okay, for birthday party invitation, first of all select rectangle tool, then select oval or select a big rectangle, select the color. Okay, and draw a big rectangle here. Then select oval, select style, take some style. Okay, I will undo this. Select oval, select color for that oval, and draw the ovals at the corner. Actually it is come in this style. So you can select the style also. Or you can copy paste this. Okay, draw the rectangle. I just change the shape. I draw the oval on each corner and each side to make it beautiful. Okay, then it's a birthday party text is there, so click on text tool, select the text and just type it's, or change the color first so you can see here. It's a birthday party. Okay, to apply the font, select this font, select this text, then whichever font you like you set. Then take one more rectangle. First of all, change the color. We don't want style. Okay. Then take brush tool. Okay, it says it is not editable, so no problem. We'll cancel this. Then on this rectangle, just type date, time and place. Date, same way take one more rectangle here. You can rotate this also, so don't rotate. Enter. Time and place. Okay, so this is your birthday party invitation. Understand? So in this way you can make a simple image in Photoshop. Okay student, we'll see some more tool. First is rectangular marquee tool. For that, just choose an image. Okay, then click on the rectangular marquee tool. You can choose specific area of the image and you can cut that area. Okay, like this. With the move tool, just select and move. Okay. Now we'll use the lasso tool. The lasso tool is used to cut specific area of image but with the random shape. Okay, with the move tool, move this area. Now see the difference between lasso tool and rectangular marquee tool. Rectangular marquee tool cut the area of image into rectangular shape, and lasso tool cut the area of original image, but you can cut that area in any shape. See here is no any shape, but here the shape is rectangular. So this is the difference between lasso tool and rectangular marquee tool. Then move tool. As we see, the move tool is used to move the cut area or any shape. And at last, color replacement tool. For that, just close this. Take one more image. Okay, this color replacement tool is hide under brush tool. So click on brush tool. Okay, just select the brush. Here are some modes. Okay, choose any mode. Now I will select some color toggle mode and just drag here. It change the color automatically. Okay, color burn. Now I just clicked on color burn. See how the color get changes. So this is all about color replacement tool. Color replacement means original color is replaced with the new color. Okay, lighten. See, light yellow color will display. So these are some linear toggle. See the difference. Okay, can you see the difference? So this is all about the color replacement tool. So in the Photoshop we learn this tool, and these tools are used to change the image, or it is used to draw new image.